Hello and welcome to Winslow Academy. So in this video we're going to look at how we can actually use ChatGPT agents to do all kind of research for us and then give us the latest updates on a daily basis. So first off, we're going to click into the agent mode. So we have an agent that we're going to create. Then I have a simple line here. It can be way more complex. You can get ChatGPT to help you optimize it as well. But for this example, this is exactly what we need. So here I just want a daily report on the top most important cyber attacks that has happened within the last 24 hours. Then I said that it should make use of sources like TheHackerNews, Reuters, BleepingComputers and DarkReading. It will also use other resources as well. But this is just a two-liner to explain this essence of what we wanted to do. Then when we prompt this, it will set up its desktop. It will make the first report for us. This is going to take a few seconds for it to actually prepare this. But once it's finished, we can add a scheduler on it such that it will just do this automatically on a daily basis. So we can target whether we want it in the morning. So when we wake up, we can read the latest news on the top 5, or we can do it in the evening. So when we return from work or whatever you're doing, then you will get the latest update from the last 24 hours. You can also extend upon it and have it on a weekly basis or monthly basis, depending on the topic. It doesn't have to be within cybersecurity, but this is just to illustrate how you can actually benefit a lot from getting this, because it can be a tremendous task to go through all the news fields out there looking for all this information yourself. So here you can actually get ChatGPT to do the hard work such that you can just read the summary of the most important things that has happened within a given area throughout the day. Once the agent is done, you have a full report of the last five most important events taking place over the last 24 hours. And if you go down here, you can also see a summary table. You can see the incident, the impact, etc. Then you can go down here and then you can click schedule, and then you can select when you want this to run. Let's say daily, 2 p.m. You can give it a name. You can update the instructions, make them even more tailored towards your needs. Maybe you need a JSON format or something similar in order to pass it somewhere else. But if you click save here, it will then set this agent up and you will now get a daily report at 2 p.m. With the latest update on the 5 most important cyber events occurring worldwide. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. See you next time here on Winslow Academy.